Mark has lowered the car so he can get a floor jack under it. When the spindle comes off the car, it releases the tension of the spring for the suspension of the car. So he's got the weight of the lower control arm supported by the floor jack, so that when he loosens up the retaining nuts holding the ball joints in place, it doesn't allow an uncontrolled expansion of the spring. If you do it up in the air and you just beat it apart in the air, you can send parts across the shop. So he's removing the upper ball joint retaining nut. Things won't come apart until he actually gets in there with a big hammer or the pickle fork knocking them loose. But he's still been careful to put the floor jack under it to start with. Okay, he's got the upper nut loose and out of there. Now he's loosening up the bottom nut, and he'll get that out. There's just the two ball joints left holding the spindle to the car.